Today we're going to be talking about our heels. Yep, maybe you're self-conscious about your feet and your heels and you're worried about exposing your feet and your heels in the summertime. Maybe you've got those dry and ugly cracks and you're like, oh, how do I ever get rid of that? Well, maybe you feel you can't wear sandals or flip-flops. Well, this video is for you. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. All right, so let's talk about it. Make sure you have a pumice stone. Yep, go to your natural beauty supply store or your regular grocery store in the female, lady section for the nail support. You're gonna find a pumice stone. Make sure you grab one, and I love this with a little bit of doTERRA conditioner, and every time I'm in the shower, I utilize this on my feet. This is gonna help keep your feet prevention, right, is keeping them healthy all the time. But I'm going to give you some more tips if your feet are hurting right now and crackly and your heels are not in a good place. You're going to love this video today. So go to roxysaran.com if you're ready to hop in with doTERRA essential oils. I'd be honored to help you right at roxysaran.com. Well, the first thing that you're going to love is the doTERRA's Yarrow Palm Serum. The Yarrow Palm Serum is so luxurious and amazing. A little bit of this on your heels every morning and every night is going to help keep your feet healthy and happy. Yarrow Palm capsules are going to help be healthy from the inside out. Helps with new cellular health growth of skin and cells. So over time, from the inside out, you're going to notice more supple and soft skin. So those are some things that you can do on a consistent basis and also internally as well. The next thing is doTERRA's beautiful spa hydrating body mist. Now this one is in and out of stock because it is so amazing. So when it is in stock, you need to snatch it up. It is made up of coconut oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, and passion fruit. This helps improve skin appearance, and I just love that it smells amazing with the beautiful blend, but it also has a 360-degree spray bottle, so it can help with your heels as you are like in the shower and doing all of that stuff. So I love the hydrating mist. It is a fantastic item. Grab that on your next order. doTERRA's Spa Body Butter is so amazing. If you want to feel pampered and luxurious feeling, it has doTERRA's wild orange, Douglas fir, and frankincense in it. So a little bit of the body butter on your heels morning and night is going to help, very much so, help support your feet be really, really happy. So if you're ready to grab these, go to roxysaran.com. You can grab your beautiful hydrating mist and the Spa Body Butter and your Yarrow Palm line right at roxysaran.com. Well, I'm going to give you a 10 ml roller, really easy DIY that you can make to support your heels. So 10 drops of frankincense, 10 drops of tea tree, 10 drops of lemon, 10 drops of peppermint, and 10 drops of oregano. The rest you're going to fill with coconut oil in a 10 ml bottle, and make sure you're adding a coconut oil. So coconut oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, some carrier with it. You're gonna love how this feels. So you roll this onto your heels multiple times a day. You can roll it on at night and then cover your feet with socks at night. Over the next few days, you're gonna start noticing really soft and supple and beautiful heels. I'm so glad that you are joining me today. Your feet are absolutely going to thank you. You will have happy feet. You will be happy and more confident and have smoother heels. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. I hope to see you in the next video. We'll be talking about the Healing Hands Foundation with respect to wintergreen. Have a healthy day.